Alright, we got the LCP2 here in 22 long rifle. Got a couple magazines, both loaded with CCI MiniMag, 36 grain. On the box advertised at 1260 feet per second. They are hollow points. We're just going to run some through it and do a little reliability test and see if it runs the CCI hollow point MiniMags. Runs them pretty good. I'm not sure. I haven't really shot many of these out of it. I've shot some other ammo and it seems to work. So we'll try these couple mags and find out right here. Alright, so there's 20 rounds of the MiniMag hollow point, and it seems to run those fairly good. I'll do some more shooting with it and let you know if I have any other issues or any issues with this type of ammo. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.